Hey everyone, this is the Beatbot AquaSense 2. It's a cordless robotic pool vacuum that keeps your pool clean. It's worry-free and hassle-free. All you have to do is throw it in and it will start cleaning. It uses double pass waterline scrubbing technology. So what it does is that it cleans your waterline, your floor twice per pass. Not just once, it's cleaning it twice for a crystal clear finish. Because it's robotic, it is really smart. If it senses a wall, it will turn around. And you can actually use your app to tell it what kind of mode you want it to clean in. Do you want it to clean the walls? Do you want it to clean the floor? You can do all that with an app. So with the app, you can turn it off and on. You can create custom cleaning patterns. You can operate it remotely. You can create schedules. You can view your cleaning history and statistics, and you can get maintenance reminders. And with one touch of a button, you can make it float to the top for easy robot pickup. So you can change the cleaning mode of it with a click of a button on your app. So if it's cleaning your floors, you can change it to clean the walls. And it does clean the walls so well. Just look at the brush on this thing as it climbs the wall and exposes the brushes. I mean, those things can get a lot of gook off your pool walls, which is really nice. And with that double pass technology, it really cleans those walls well. And if you're not around while it's cleaning, when it's done cleaning, it will park itself near the edge of the pool so you can easily retrieve it. And if you prefer not to use an app, that's okay. It does have buttons on the robot itself for operation. So the Beatbot AquaSense 2 will clean your pool for up to 4 hours on a full charge, which is amazing because none of my other pool vacuums can clean that long. I think the other one, the longest is 3 hours, but this one is 4 hours. And it only takes 4 hours to fully recharge it. And it has this really nice base. All you have to do is plop the robot on there and it will start charging. And it's super easy to empty. All you have to do is open that front case and then pull out the basket. I mean, super easy. Easy to rinse off with a hose, a water hose. For this video, I only ran the vacuum for like 20 minutes, and this is all the dirt and the sand and the grass that it collected in that short amount of time. Pretty impressive. So if you're looking for a pool vacuum that's hassle-free, super smart because of the robotic technology, super convenient because of that amazing app that can do so many features, and one that cleans really well because of that double pass scrubbing technology, then I highly recommend this Beatbot AquaSense 2.